Alright, you are highly welcome. You are mostly welcome to Sweet Mood Africa TV Street Eating Competition. Here I have my two amazing men that want to eat 2 big shawarma and 1 bottle water. If you finish it, you go home with 10,000 naira. Here at Sweet Mood Africa TV, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Mostly subscribe on our YouTube channel at Sweet Mood Africa TV. You are going to meet us on every social media: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Join us this sweet and funny eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Please, let's go. 2 big shawarma and 1 bottle water. First to finish this, you go home with 10,000 naira at Sweet Mood Africa TV. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, guys. You can make it. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, if you know you can do better, please join us at the comment section. Drop your number, your location, and join us at the next competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. This is street eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Here right now we have 2 big shawarma and 1 bottle water. Thank you, guys. Let's go. You can make it. 1 minute gone. 1 minute gone. Let's go, guys. Nice one, guys. Let's go. Street eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Here right now I have 2 big shawarma and 1 bottle water. You must finish this and you go home with 10,000 naira at Sweet Mood Africa TV on YouTube. Please, viewers, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Sweet Mood Africa TV. Yes, so let's go, guys. If you know you can do better, please join us at the comment section. Drop your number, your location. We call you for the next competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Street eating competition. Let's go, guys. Nice one, ultimate. 2 minutes gone, 3 minutes remaining. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Please don't forget, if you can do better, drop your comments. We call you for the next competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Street eating competition. Alright, guys, let's go. You can make it. Let's go, you can make it. Nice one. Street eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Please, guys, don't forget to comment, like, share. 2 minutes remaining, 3 minutes gone. You can make it. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Nice one. Street eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. If you can do better, please, let's meet at the comment section. Then we call you for the next competition, street eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Here right now I have 2 big shawarma and 1 bottle water. You must finish this and go home with 10,000 naira at Sweet Mood Africa TV. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
Sweet Mood Africa.
Alright, nice one. Let's go.
Africa.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. You can make it. Let's go. Let's go. You can make it. Let's go, guys. You can make it.
Sweet Mood Africa. Sweet Mood Africa.
I love that. Let's go, guys. You can make it. Let's go, guys.
Sweet Mood Africa.
Hey, Omo. This guy they battle the second shawarma. Mo fall.
Oh,
hey. Yeah. Ultimate easy now. Kilo day.
Mo fall. Sweet Mood Africa.
All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. You can make it. Please, if you can do better than them, drop your comments at the comment section. Let's meet for the next competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. First to finish this, you go home with 10,000 naira. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Sweet Mood Africa.
Let's go, guys. Oh boy, you can make it now. Don't lose hope. You can make it. Well, let's go. Hey. Nice one. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Sweet Mood Africa.
Let's go, guys.
Sweet Mood Africa.
Oh, it's not easy. Sorry. You can make it now. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Omo. You know they easy. People they vex you. Mo fall. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Let's go. You can make it. It's not easy. 2 big shawarma and 1 bottle water. It's not easy. You can make it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. First to finish this, go home with 10,000 naira. Let's go, guys. You can make it. Let's go, guys. Face your own now. You can make it. Let's go. You can make it now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh yeah, I can see. I think I have my winner here. I can see I have my winner. Hey. I can see that I have my winner here. Come on, take it easy now. Hey. See as people they eat shawarma like rice. Mo fall. Alright, nice one. Let's go. Oh yes, I have my winner. I can see I have my winner here. Ultimate is the winner. Nice one. Thank you. Yeah, sorry. It's not easy. Thank you, nice one.
Everybody, I want to tell you about Sweet Mood Africa.
Alright, thank you for watching. Mr. Ultimate.
Yeah.
Well done, congratulations. Omo, you the best, you. You get the chop shawarma like the chop rice.
No be small thing though.
Please, can you tell our viewers how do you feel?
I don't feel anyhow. I just eat normal. That's the way I do eat. So I eat normal.
As you are eating like.
Yes, I don't feel anyhow.
Omo, I fear for you. I'm
even small.
Alright, thank you. This is 10,000 naira from Sweet Mood Africa TV.
Okay.
So what can you tell Sweet Mood Africa TV?
Thank you so much. I really appreciate. May God continue to uplift your company more and more.
Amen. Alright, thank you for watching. Viewers, please comment, subscribe, like and share. Please, if you can do better, please drop your comment in the comment section, your number, your location, and join us at street eating competition at Sweet Mood Africa TV. This is 10,000 naira. Mr. Ultimate, once again, congratulations. This is 1, 2, 2,
Oh yeah.
3,
Yeah.
4, 5,
Why was sweet mood
6,
Africa?
7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations. Thank you, my brother. You're welcome. Thank you.